Hello, my name is Matt Miller. Recently, I've been doing the Blender52 challenge. Right? It's a you can go to blender52.com to find the challenge. You get a new prompt each week, and the idea is that you create a Blender render using nothing but materials and objects that you've created yourself. So I found this nice image online. I will on pbs.com. Not sure which city this is, but Chicago, I think. But yeah, I'm going to use this as my reference. I'm just going to go ahead and try to recreate this scene because I think that it is a good one. So